Hi, this is Rashad Kazemi, Director of Business Development for Orchestra. This is the What Is and Why video series. Today we're going to be talking about Drupal, which is a content management system. Drupal is open source software. It's content management system, and what content management systems allow you to do is to make edits on your website and manage your content without having to know any web development coding languages like PHP or HTML or etc. I have no experience with web development, yet I'm able to make changes and show you how to manage your content on a web. Here is a demo site here for Drupal. As you can see here on the right hand side, I'm logged in as demo user. Within Drupal you have different administrative roles and you can configure the different permissions within each role. Right now I'm logged in as a full administrative access user, but obviously you can control that if you have different employees or if you have random people that are coming up and signing up as users on your website. I'm going to show you guys exactly how simple it is to edit content. Here is just the front page index, content. I'm going to click on the title, then go to edit. And I'm going to go here, and right here it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 testing. I'm going to go ahead and simply change it to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 tested, and I'm going to click save. Now, if we were to go to the front or to the home page, you guys can see it's as simple as that. We changed the content. We can change that picture. We can change the color of the text. We can change all sorts of things very simply, just the way that I showed you. Creating content is just as easy. Right here, if you're logged in, you'll see create content. You'll click on there. You have 3 different types of content: a blog entry, a page, which is a page on your website like contact us, a story. This can be like a press release. It can be an announcement. It's kind of a mix between a blog and a page, but I'm going to create a blog entry. A blog entry is very simple. If I knew Latin, I'd have some consistency and type in some Latin, but I'm going to do some gibberish. You can have revisions. So this is draft 1. That way, if you had multiple revisions, you can it'll automatically get stored within the Drupal database, and you can go back to draft 1 to make changes. You can attach files, pictures, all sorts of things to this blog or to the page. If you were creating a new page or a story, it would look exactly the same way. URL path settings, if you wanted to say, hey, I want this to be a page and I want it /contact us, my company /contact us, you would just say, hey, /contact us. So we're not going to go ahead and do that since this is a blog. Publishing options, you can leave this unchecked, not publish it, yet it'll be in the system and an administrator can edit it before publishing it for you. You can promote to the front of the page. You can have it sticky at the top of the list so that it stays at the front. So we're going to look at blog 3 right there on the front. Very simple, very easy. The one thing that I enjoy about a Drupal is the theme. This is like putting on new clothes every day if you need to. Since it's the theme and it's putting on new clothes over the content, you can see how we have the same content, blog 3, testing blog, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 tested, all changed by a click of the button. So if you want a 2010 look, all you'd have to do is click a button and change the theme, and it just takes that content and presents it in a different way. We're going to look at a more advanced website. This is orchestrateam.com, our company. You can see the modules that are here that you can install, and it can make it a lot more sophisticated. You can have RSS feeds, all sorts of things. Drupal is great. We promote it heavily. We think it's the best software out there. It's open source. It's free. You don't have to pay a licensing fee, annual fee, monthly fee, or anything. All we do here at Orchestra is charge for our time to set it up, because as easy as it is to use, it is kind of complicated to set up. Our orchestrated web presence, which gives you a setup of a Drupal website, is $3,495. You can email me at rashad@orchestrateam.com. Call our 1-800 number, 1-877-OTEAM for you. And if you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you very much.